Today, we're going to draw two characters from Toy Story. We're going to draw
Woody
and
Buzz Lightyear.
Yes, Woody and Buzz Lightyear. Okay, so let's start with Buzz Lightyear. Okay. All right, this is going to be a little bit difficult, but you can do it if you follow along. Okay. All right. First, we're going to start with his eyes. He's got big circular eyes. Okay. Right here. Very good. Okay. He's got a little pointy nose right here. Okay, and then he's got a big smile. Oh, well, not a big smile, just he's got a smile. So we're gonna do two lines here. One under the eyes, okay? Two lines. And then we're gonna connect it with a wave. So this is how we're gonna do his lips. Okay, so I'm gonna go up, down, and then go across. Gentle wave. There we go. Good job. Okay, and then under that is a one straight. Okay, watch this curve. Okay. Very good, Charlotte. Good job. And he's got this weird. He's got a little chin dimple thingy. It looks like a. It's like this, like a swirl mark. Okay, draw that.
And you draw Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, he's got that little. There we go. Good job. And
Just
then
like mine.
he's got a he's got a grin. So his teeth is like this. Okay, one line. Okay. Yeah, good job. And let's do his eyeball. Okay, I'm gonna do circle. Circle. Let's fill that in. I'm gonna do his eyebrows, okay? He's got big eyebrows. Goes up and over. Now same thing on the other side. We're gonna do straight and then curve down, okay? We're gonna make this a little bit thicker. So we're gonna just make the line a little bit thicker. His eyebrows are very, very thick, okay? A little bit. Thicker than one line. There we go. I'm going to draw the top of his head, okay? Head is curved like this. Okay? And then it comes down like this. It curves out. Okay? It's got a big chin. Big cheeks. Then we're going to draw his body, okay? So his body, he's wearing this really cool space armor. So we're gonna do this. Charlotte, take a look. Space armor. Alright. And then it's gonna come down a little bit, slanted down this like this. Okay, same thing on each side.
I'm an expert.
Okay, and then it's gonna come up to the middle, okay? So the middle we have a line here, and then we're gonna connect it. And then the rest of his body, we're gonna do this. And we're gonna connect it. And then one more part. This is for the rest of his body here. Okay. And then we're gonna draw his legs. Okay, so his legs are gonna connect here. Okay, so the other leg is gonna come from here. Up here. Come down. Okay. And then same thing on the other side, okay? Come down. Okay, so for his shoes, it's like this. Let's connect this first, Charlotte. Look. Connect this. Okay, connect those. And he's wearing space boots, so they look like this, okay? Connect this. Okay, same thing on the other side. Curve, down, connect. Okay, space boots. Yep. Okay, the space boots have a little curve here at the tip for the toes. And a little circle here for the heels, the back of his foot. And this is where his knee is, okay? This is where his knees are. Two knees.
Well,
And now
his
we're
arm.
yeah, we're gonna draw his arm next. Very good, Charlotte. So his arms comes out like this. Okay, and they come in, and he's putting his arm on his waist. He's doing his hero pose, and then we're gonna draw his glove here. So there's a stripe here, stripe here. Okay, good job. Very good. And then we got his wings, right? He's got his wings coming out back. Okay, wings coming out the back. And the wings have little jet thrusters on them. They look like a little banana, kind of. Okay. Surfboard, actually. Looks like a surfboard. Exactly. Good job. Oh, you know what? We need to add his ears. Ears are here.
Oh, also, that thing, like a helmet.
His helmet, yeah.
That helmet thing.
Yeah, we'll do that last, okay? Okay, and then we're gonna add his helmet. So let's add the circle helmet, okay?
But clear, so we don't
Yeah,
color.
we don't color. Exactly. Good job, Charlotte. Very good. You're an expert in Buzz Lightyear. Yeah. Good job. See, you did so good. And that was so fast. And now we're gonna do Woody, okay? Okay. All right. Woody's even cuter. Okay. Let's do Woody.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
That's so, it's so
Okay.
cute.
Let's do.
Stop laughing at it.
Okay. Big eyes. Okay. Woody's got big eyes too.
I'm gonna try to do the same as Buzz Lightyear. I just
Okay.
skim a little bit.
One black circle in the middle. Okay. One black circle in the middle. His nose is different. His nose is a half circle oval like this.
It's like a little
Okay.
smile.
Yeah, but he's also got a pretty big smile here. Okay, so we're gonna mark
Really?
that.
I'm gonna try to make it really big.
Okay, so
smile.
can you take a look at mine first? Okay, so we're gonna do that.
Looks like there are two mouths.
Okay, and then we're gonna do the bottom of his mouth. Is that one mouth? Okay. And then we're gonna do his top teeth, and then bottom teeth. Okay, bottom teeth.
I'm gonna do a line for each teeth.
Okay. 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 And then we are going to draw. This is a chin down here. It's a line. Try no scratching, okay? And then we're going to draw his face, okay? So his face is like this. Straight line here. Okay. And a straight line here. So the bottom of his eye, can you try to look over here? The bottom of his eye here, look. This is where his ear is, okay? The bottom of his eye. Now we're gonna draw his hat, okay? Try to pay attention. So we're gonna make this a little bit taller. Okay, very good. Okay, and then this is gonna be one line across, okay?
I'm gonna do a little sticky out.
Okay, just a little bit. Okay, that's the edge of the hat. And let's put his eyebrow in. Here's his eyebrow. It's a little bit thick. Okay,
I'm
two
gonna make it a
lines.
little thicker. Since there was pencil.
Okay. Okay, so here's the hat. Okay, watch. So from the middle, we're gonna do the curve to the edge. The middle, curve to the edge. And then we're gonna do the middle part of the hat. Here. We're gonna draw his body, okay? So let's start with his neck. We're gonna do a little circle.
Really small.
Yeah, and we're gonna draw these rectangles for his collar, okay? For his shirt. Rectangles. Okay, and then there's a line in the middle with buttons on there. So one short line and button, short line and button. Okay? That's his shirt. Okay, good job. Okay. And then so under that we have one short line. Okay? And then we're gonna draw his shirt, okay? This is his shirt. Come down here. Go straight down. So now we're gonna draw his belt. Okay, so here's his belt. It's a rectangle. And we have an oval buckle in the middle. Okay. Legs over here. Try to look. Try to look at the legs. Okay, and then his boots.
He has long cowboy.
Cowboy boots.
Boom.
And then
So I'm going to draw Woody as he's dancing.
And then we're gonna draw his arms. Good. Okay, now we're gonna color them, okay?